Traders are looking at the euro dollar. I've got it open on the daily chart. You can see this is clearly under pressure, and first target will be these lows over here. And if it continues bearish, we've got this imbalance here on the daily time frame to trade through. Next target, I would pick the high of this red candle, and then if we continue down, then we've got the lows. See how it trades around here. It's reacted off this level already. It's picked up liquidity under this range over here on the left. You can see it's tapped into it. It's reacted off that, and now we're continuing down into it. On the 4 hour, in fact, I'll just mark up this base of this bearish order block as a point of interest. Now we'll go down to the 4 hour. All right, so we've got this level here, potential resistance, and I'm looking for continuation pretty much. I mean, right down into this level here. Now, this would have been an ideal entry point, short position. I mean, that would have been an ideal entry point, stop above the high, but kind of missed the boat with that one. So now we're looking at, yeah, well, I mean, we've got this. Let's just grab that. Yeah, actually had quite a deep pullback here, but I mean, you could look at potentially entering at this level here. Stop loss, and I could get a bit volatile, possibly above this high. It's fairly wide, but we're looking for potentially. Well, there's a two hour target there. Go with a wide stop or go with a tighter stop and take the risk, and that'll give you a 3.4 hour if targets reach. I'm inclined to pull my stop loss to break even as soon as possible. Probably stick it in above there, the stop loss, and then if this gains traction, for example, it comes back and rejects off this level here, possibly pull your stop loss down to break even or better. At that point, there's a stop, and that could be a thing. So yeah, stop loss would be then risk-free, slightly in the money. I'm even tempted to look for 50% of my position off at T1. I'm almost tempted, since we've been seeing the markets aggressively retracing or pulling back. I mean, completely rolling over midweek. It's been happening fairly frequently. I'm inclined to look to take 50% of my position off at T1, and then pull the stop loss to break even and let it go from there. See how we go. At least at that point, then we're in the money. Anyway, that's an idea with the euro dollar at the moment. It's under pressure. Just watch your risk, guys, and yeah, love to hear your thoughts on this. Definitely leave a comment, and with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.